Welcome to Healthy Habits. We are so glad you found us. Here at Healthy Habits, we are dedicated to helping you live your healthiest and happiest life. Our channel is all about sharing practical tips and advice for improving your nutrition, staying active, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost your energy levels, or just feel better overall, we've got you covered. Our team of experts will provide you with the latest research and recommendations for living a healthier life. So join us on this journey to better health and wellness. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all of our latest videos. We can't wait to share our healthy habits with you.
Health benefits of consuming chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny black or white seeds that come from the Salvia hispanica plant, which is native to Mexico and Guatemala. They have been used as a source of nutrition for thousands of years and were even a staple food for the Aztecs and Mayans. Today, chia seeds are recognized as a superfood due to their high nutrient content and numerous health benefits. When chia seeds come into contact with liquid, they absorb the liquid and become gel-like, which can make them difficult to swallow. To avoid choking, it's recommended to soak chia seeds in liquid for at least 10 to 15 minutes before consuming them. This will allow the chia seeds to fully absorb the liquid and become softer, making them easier to swallow. Alternatively, you can mix chia seeds into foods that already have a liquid or soft consistency, such as smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. It's also important to drink plenty of water when consuming chia seeds to help them move through the digestive system. It's important to note that consuming too many chia seeds without enough liquid can also lead to constipation or intestinal blockages. Please note this video is for educational purposes only. If you have any medical concerns, please do speak to your doctor. That said, let's explore the health benefits of chia seeds. Rich in nutrients. Chia seeds are packed with nutrients. Just 1 ounce, 28 grams, of chia seeds contains 11 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, 9 grams of fat, 5 of which are omega-3s, and a host of vitamins and minerals, including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Chia seeds are also low in calories, making them an excellent choice for those who are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Improved digestion. The high fiber content of chia seeds can help improve digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. The soluble fiber in chia seeds also helps feed the friendly bacteria in your gut, which can improve gut health and reduce inflammation throughout the body. Boosted energy and metabolism. Chia seeds are a rich source of energy and can help improve athletic performance. They are high in complex carbohydrates, which are broken down slowly by the body, providing a steady stream of energy throughout the day. Additionally, the high fiber and protein content of chia seeds can help boost metabolism, helping you burn calories more efficiently. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants, which can help protect your body against damage from free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause inflammation and contribute to chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. The high omega-3 content in chia seeds also helps reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Improved heart health. The high fiber, protein, and omega-3 content of chia seeds can help improve heart health. Studies have shown that consuming chia seeds can lower blood pressure, reduce LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and decrease inflammation throughout the body, all of which contribute to improved heart health. Reduced blood sugar levels. Chia seeds have a low glycemic index, meaning they do not cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This makes them an excellent food choice for people with diabetes or those who are trying to manage their blood sugar levels. Additionally, the high fiber content of chia seeds can help slow down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, further regulating blood sugar levels. Improved bone health. Chia seeds are an excellent source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which are essential for maintaining healthy bones. Consuming chia seeds can help prevent osteoporosis and improve bone density, especially in older adults. Improved skin health. The high omega-3 content of chia seeds can help improve skin health by reducing inflammation and protecting against damage from free radicals. Additionally, the high antioxidant content of chia seeds can help prevent premature aging and promote a healthy, youthful complexion. Improved brain function. The high omega-3 content of chia seeds can help improve brain function and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Studies have shown that consuming omega-3s can improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive performance. Also click the link in the description box below to watch our video on benefits of consuming pumpkin seeds.
Thank you for watching this video on healthy habits. We hope you found the information helpful and are motivated to make positive changes in your own health and wellness journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all of our latest videos. We post new content every week, so there's always something new and exciting to learn. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers and always do our best to respond to your comments. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.